In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about a unique product of plastic fiber optics, and that's graded index plastic fiber. And there's really two types. There's two main manufacturers. One is Chromis Fiber Optics, that's US based, and then we have Optimedia, which is based in South Korea. Both of these companies have been in business quite a while, and they both make fantastic products. The difference between the two is that the Chromis fiber is a perfluorinated fiber. So it has a lot of the same characteristics that a multi-mode silica fiber would have, other than it's plastic, so you don't have to worry about the safety issues and stuff like that. But you can get the same kind of bandwidths on as far as running it in the invisible light, where it runs very well at 850. And it has a very small core. So the one I'm looking at right now is a 50 micron core, and it's buffered up to 500 micron. In the jacketed versions, they buffer it up to 750 micron. That way we can run a little larger ID on the connectors and sometimes keep the cost down on the connectors. So in this particular simplex, this is a 62 micron core. The buffer size is 750 micron, and then it has a secondary buffer on it that's right at 1 millimeter, and then the OD on this jacket, which is typical for the industry, is 3 millimeter. They run the strength member inside, so it's very similar to a silica, and you can use some of the same connectors as you can. FiberFin has a unique technology of the light seal connectors, so we have those in both LC and SC for this particular fiber. This is a very high bandwidth to where you can run 10 gig without any problem. The other type of perfluorinated is done through a PMMA based fiber. This is through Optimedia, and they go by the trade name Giga. But in this, it's a PMMA. It's still a graded index, but the core on it is 1 millimeter. So it fits any of the standard plastic fiber optic connectors, and you can use it in the same method to where you can crimp on, cleave, polish. It does the same thing. This comes in both simplex and duplex. What I have here is the DE100, and what's nice about this manufacturer is they color code, so you have both channels, and they also do it on their buffering to where they have a secondary buffer, as you can see in this white cable, and that is at 1.5 millimeter in diameter. And as the core is 1 millimeter. So 2.2 on the jacket, typical for your any kind of connector. So this is a great drop-in replacement. When your bandwidth starts getting higher up to that 10 gig, you can run this fiber. So this is two great alternatives for the different fiber types for plastic fiber, and you can get all of these right at FiberFin. We stock all of this, and would be more than happy to talk to you or discuss any kind of applications you have.